screen time. Who spends time on the toilet with your phone in your hand? Raise your hand. I want to hear it. Who does? Because if you do, you may be increasing your risk for hemorrhoids. A new study just came out and it showed people who spent less than 5 minutes on the toilet versus those who spent more than 5 minutes on the toilet. And then they all underwent colonoscopies and they compared how much time spent on the toilet with their phone in their hand. And if they spent more than 5 minutes on the toilet with their phone in hand, they had an increased risk for hemorrhoids. Yikes! Nobody wants that. So I think I'm changing some habits around my life. Spending less time on the toilet with my phone. TMI, right? But I do not want that. The reason that is suggested for why this might be is because if you're sitting on a chair or a couch, then your whole pelvic floor is being supported. But if you're sitting on a toilet, there's that big wide open bowl and there's nothing holding up your pelvic floor. And so that puts extra pressure on the gravity's pulling that down into the bowl, and that puts even more pressure onto the veins, and then they can get swollen, dilate, and become hemorrhoids. And then hemorrhoids can bleed, and then they can block your anal area so that it's harder to pass stools in the future. So hemorrhoids are not something to mess with. So an easy way to solve this problem is put the phone down. Don't bring it into the bathroom. Maybe just leave a book there if you need something to pass the time, but you're less likely to spend extra time with a book than with a phone because phones are so miraculously full of these smart apps that draw us in, that are designed to increase the time spent looking into the phone. So everybody make a pledge with me. I will not bring my phone into the toilet. I will not go to the bathroom while holding a phone. I do not want hemorrhoids. Yes. Amen. Okay. So that is my tip for the day. Following the science, no phones in the bathroom. All right. Signing off is Dr. Megan, your Prednisone Pharmacist.